Cow burps have a hidden fuel, and scientists just found its microscopic source. Inside a cow's rumen, tiny microbes called ciliates help break down food. But in a new science study, researchers found something inside those microbes. A tiny structure called the new hydrogenabody. It appears to remove oxygen and make hydrogen. That matters because nearby methane-making microbes can use hydrogen as fuel. So the burp is not just cow digestion getting gassy. It may be a supply chain. Ciliates make hydrogen, methanogens make methane, and the cow exhales it. The finding does not solve livestock methane yet, but it gives scientists a much clearer target.